Hello, hello, happy Tuesday. I am going to be taking the rubber bands off. Yeah, I got all wet. I was out in the rain. Went grocery shopping, got stuck in the rain. But yep, I'm going to start taking these off here. And I'm going to see when I can rinse them. Because I know it usually says wait 48 hours to wash them. Or I think the directions even said 72. But it's different material, and of course, I'm not going to wear them 4 hours later after I put the, because of course 4 hours has passed, but I'm not going to wear a mask. Yeah, I'm not going to wear a mask that I got dye on after I dye it 4 hours later. So yeah, I'm not going to do that. But I don't think it needs a hold for 48 to 72 hours. So I'm going to tie dye them now, and then I will see what I'm going to do with them. See you soon. Okay, yep, it's these three I'm going to take apart for now. I know. Some people probably comment they look like little rainbow turds, like unicorn poo, but they're not. It's tie-dye mask. Sorry, I had to throw the pun in there. Yes, pun intended. Taking the rubber bands off. Yep, I'll be taking these off these. Oops, if I don't drop them. So I will be doing that. And I'm going to speed it up. So, I can get no... See, I can actually... Got my phone where I can control the camera, and I'm going to stop it now. Well, since they're all wet, those are still wet, and those ones, I'm just going to take them all, and then I'm going to dry them. And then tomorrow I will wash them after they dry. I mean, I'm not going to dry them. I'm going to let them air dry, and then it'll be tomorrow I wash them, and this video should be up by Thursday. I know it's Friday during the night, and I haven't even rinsed my mask. I ended up getting busy, so I didn't have a chance to mess with my mask, but I am starting to work on them now, and you'll get to see the results. Sorry about that, peeps. Yep, it's Friday in the middle of the night. As you know, I washed them and rinsed them 3 times. I'm letting them dry. And we'll see the results during the day on Friday. And I should have this video uploaded by Saturday. Sorry, peeps. I'm late. I know. Still give me a thumbs up. Thank you. As you saw in the video before I washed them, there was only 4 there. And I thought I dropped one down the drain, scared the living, daylights out of me. But I found it laying over there on my stuff over there with my other craft stuff. But that really scared me. I thought it went down the drain. Well, as you see, they are dripping, and they're still got the dye in them where it's still dripping dye out. So I'm probably going to have to put them through the washing machine and then dry them, and then after that you'll get to see what they look like, I think sooner then, because I'm going to do that. But I want them to drip dry first, and then I'm going to put them through the wash and then the dryer, and then you'll see the results. And I'll even put on the one that I'm keeping for myself. I'm going to put on my favorite one, and I'll have you guys pick out which one you think is number 1 in your eyes or your favorite. So that'll be fun. So I will have you leave that in the comments. And they're all there. It's just the way they're hanging. I had to look to make sure. I chose this one. This was my favorite one. I think that one's number 3. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Whatever your choice is, but I need a thumb. I hope you enjoy, and please comment on which one's your favorite by the numbers.